Hi everyone, welcome back to Dev Portal. In the final video on static members, we will talk about static blocks, a unique feature in Java used for class level initialization. A static block is used to initialize static variables or to perform static level operations when a class is loaded into the memory. Static blocks are executed only once when the class is first loaded. So let me show you how we can create a static block in Java. So I will create one class static demo, and inside this class I will create static int value, one variable, and one block I will create static. This is a static block. Inside this I will initialize the value equal to 42 suppose, and I will add sysout statement. Static block initialize with the value, and I will add the value here. So now what I will do, I will go to the main method, and in main method I will add the sysout statement as well. Sysout, here I will type main method executed, and I will call static demo obj is equal to new static demo. Let me save this code and run, and you can see it is printing static block initialize with value 42. So when I created the object of static block, it loaded into the memory, and during the loading it has executed this block as well. So in this example, static block initialize the value variable and run before the main method is executed. The block runs only once regardless how many objects we will create. Suppose if I create another object, two more object let me create, let me save and run, and you can see still it is printing only once. Let's wrap up our series on static members in Java. We have covered static variables, static methods and static blocks, and explore how they are used at the class level. If we talk about the common use case of static blocks are particularly useful for complex initialization logic, such as initializing static configuration settings or database connections at class load time. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Java tutorials right here on the Dev Portal.